How's it going, everybody? It is July 11th. This is Merch by Amazon sales update. What I want to do is I want to do a review of the first 10 days. It's been interesting. I don't know if you guys are seeing this kind of up and down with your accounts. I'm gonna go over the numbers a little closer, but I mean when I see something like 12 on Saturday, 12 sales in the US and 3 on Sunday. uh, I don't even know what to think about it, right? It's not like it's like a holiday or whatever. You might think, okay, the weekend sales are spiking, or maybe it's like one product, but it's not. And this is the kind of inconsistency that I've seen probably for the last 2.5 weeks. So whenever that kind of stuff happens, it's pretty interesting because I'm so used to like having pretty much like the same number straight across. But once in a while this happens, and it's fun when you get a 12, but it's not fun when you get a 3. Either way, let's look at the total numbers because so far July is feeling really good. I actually am happy about where it's going and how it's going, and that's what I want to do right now. Like I said, it's the 11th, first thing in the morning. We're looking at the first 10 days so far. This is the US marketplace. I'm sitting at 67, so that's $1,218.25 in total sales and total royalties of 206. So that's not bad for the first 10 days. 308 royalties per sale, and there's no, as you can see down here, there's no like clear product. There's not like one product that's taken off, and that's where the majority of the sales are coming from. It's actually been kind of consistent across the board. So that's good because I've had months and multiple months where I've had one product generate maybe 50-60% of the sales, and then when that product goes down, it's not good. My total sales for July, 120. And if you've seen a video from a couple days ago, Japan doing really well, 25, Germany doing okay, 14, and then the UK with 9 for the total of 120, which is good. And look at the royalties adding up. Like I'm sitting at over, $300 US dollars in royalties for the first 10 days, which is perfect. And that's with my US sales kind of being slow. Last month, same time period, I was at 93 sales. So I'm almost 30 sales ahead of this month of last month, which is great. The other thing that I've noticed, and my sales are going nuts with my Amazon store, not Merch by Amazon, but like Amazon, fulfilled by merchant, and my eBay store. uh, Something is going on. I don't know if I'm getting to the point where, for example, I have enough products live that it's actually making a difference. But whenever I see those sales, I kind of expect my Merch by Amazon sales to kind of go up as well. And I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. But I'm kind of hoping that the second half of July uh, is going to be pretty good actually uh, because my international sales are now having a bigger impact on my total sales than ever before. When I used to do these videos about a year ago, I would have ones, and like if I ever hit double digits by the end of the month, that was a success. Now, I'm getting into double digits almost every month and almost in every marketplace. So that just feels really, really good. Comparing this month to the previous months, and I'm just talking about the US, already with 10 days, like if I just multiply this by 3, it's going to look like a solid month. It's going to look like a better month than most since November of 2021. I'm hoping that my sales are going to start beating out May and June pretty soon. But I don't know if that's the case. People are still asking me if I'm running ads. I'm not. If you guys have been following the channel, I have been on vacation for the whole month last month, and now I'm just kind of getting back into it. Like I'm still not even uploading designs every single day, and I'm definitely not hitting 3,000 every day. It's just gonna take me I would say, a couple of weeks to get back to my norm, where I can actually design every day, where I can write descriptions, titles, all that kind of stuff. Right now, I'm just kind of like putting it all together, and doing the work that I feel like is necessary, but it's minimal. It's minimal work. It's nothing extreme. So far, 120, pretty good. If that continues, I'm looking at close to 350 to 400 sales in total. If something happens and my sales take off a little better than fives and sixes and threes in the U.S., then this is going to be an exceptional month. But so far so good, and like I said, I just got to get up on the uploads. Uh, Other than that, I'm feeling good. July is going great. We're gonna get into the holiday season, a couple of times of the year with the going back to school and other holidays. So it should get exciting. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon.